In the land of Persia, nestled between the towering mountain ranges and fertile plains, a religion was born that would shape the course of history. This was Zoroastrianism, the ancient faith of the Persians, established by a prophet named Zoroaster in the 6th century BCE. Zoroaster, a visionary thinker, preached a monotheistic belief system, introducing the concept of Ahura Mazda, the wise lord, and Angra Mainyu, the evil spirit. His teachings emphasized the struggle between good and evil, the importance of free will, and the eternal reward for virtuous deeds. The Zoroastrian faith, with its emphasis on purity, cleanliness, and moral conduct, resonated deeply with the Persian people. The religion's ethics of honesty, kindness, and truth became the cornerstone of Persian society, influencing their laws, customs, and governance. However, the rise of the Achaemenid Empire, under the leadership of Cyrus the Great, marked a turning point for Zoroastrianism. Cyrus, a devout Zoroastrian, made it the state religion, promoting its teachings throughout his empire. Temples were built, priests appointed, and Zoroastrianism spread, becoming a symbol of Persian identity. Yet, the Persian Empire's golden age was short-lived. The rise of Alexander the Great in the 4th century BCE marked the beginning of a series of invasions that would change the course of Persia's history. Alexander, a Greek Macedonian, conquered Persia, introducing a new culture and religion, Greek polytheism. Under Greek rule, Zoroastrianism began to decline. Temples were destroyed, priests persecuted, and the practice of the faith became a secret ritual. Despite this, the resilient Persians held on to their faith, preserving its teachings and rituals in secret. The fall of the Persian Empire and the rise of the Sassanid dynasty in the 3rd century CE marked a revival for Zoroastrianism. The Sassanids, also Zoroastrians, made it the state religion once again, and the faith flourished. However, the Arab invasions in the 7th century CE would lead to the decline of Zoroastrianism in Persia. The Arab conquest, under the Rashidun Caliphate, marked the end of Zoroastrianism's dominance in Persia. Many Zoroastrians were forced to convert to Islam, while others fled to India, where they established the Parsis community. Today, Zoroastrianism continues to survive, albeit in smaller numbers, as a testament to the resilience of this ancient faith. The story of Zoroastrianism in Persia is a tale of rise, decline, and resurgence. A religion that once shaped the course of Persian society, culture, and governance, now exists as a testament to the enduring spirit of its followers. The legacy of Zoroaster lives on, a beacon of wisdom and moral guidance in the heart of Persia's rich history.